1. 1934 Ford 5-window steel hot rod. Price: $27,500. Located: Manahawkin, New Jersey. This 1934 Ford 5-window steel hot rod is a clean and well-built classic that perfectly captures the timeless salt-flat style while remaining a reliable and enjoyable driver. Powered by a strong small block 350 engine paired with dual carburetors and a mild cam, this car delivers smooth performance with a satisfying vintage tone. The LaSalle manual transmission adds a traditional driving feel, making it a true enthusiast machine for those who appreciate classic motoring. The vehicle retains its original frame and features a full steel body, which adds to its authenticity and value. Finished in a sleek black exterior with a matching black interior, the car has a cohesive and aggressive look that stands out without being overdone. The interior is functional and clean, complete with working lighting including interior and trunk lights, showing attention to detail in the build. With only around 2,500 miles driven since completion, this hot rod remains in excellent condition and is fully turnkey, ready to be driven and enjoyed immediately. It runs and drives well, offering both reliability and classic appeal. Whether used for weekend cruising, local shows, or simply as a collector piece, this 1934 Ford represents a solid opportunity to own a stylish and dependable vintage hot rod. 2. 1930 Ford model, a Tudor sedan hot rod. Price: $21,000. Located: Lisbon, Ohio. This 1930 Ford model, a Tudor sedan hot rod, is a beautifully crafted street rod that blends classic Ford heritage with modern performance upgrades. Built on a solid steel frame, this vehicle offers durability and authenticity while delivering an impressive driving experience. Under the hood sits a powerful 383-stroker V8 engine, known for its strong torque and aggressive sound, paired with an automatic transmission and a floor-mounted performance shifter for smooth and responsive gear changes. The exterior features a striking two-tone finish in deep cherry red and black, giving the car a bold and timeless appearance. Complementing the exterior are polished wheels wrapped in BF Goodrich radial tires, enhancing both style and road grip. Inside, the cabin is finished with custom red and gray diamond-stitched upholstery, offering a refined yet sporty feel. The interior also includes a full set of gauges, a SunPro tachometer, tilt steering column, and a classic-style audio system. With approximately 29,762 miles, this vehicle has been well-maintained and remains in excellent running condition. It starts easily, runs smoothly, and delivers a confident driving experience. This hot rod is ideal for collectors or enthusiasts looking for a reliable, stylish, and well-built classic ready to cruise or showcase. 3. 1929 Ford Model A. Price: $25,000. Located: Pottstown, Pennsylvania. This 1929 Ford Model A is a classic hot rod that offers a simple yet bold approach to vintage styling and performance. Finished in a flat black exterior, this car delivers a rugged and aggressive look that perfectly suits its street rod character. The tinted windows add a modern touch while maintaining the car's classic appeal, making it a standout presence on the road or at local gatherings. Under the hood, this Model A is powered by a dependable Chevrolet 350 engine paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. This combination provides reliable performance, smooth shifting, and enough power to make driving both enjoyable and effortless. The drivetrain setup is a popular choice among hot rod builders, ensuring easy maintenance and parts availability. With approximately 2,000 miles since its build or refresh, the vehicle remains in solid condition and is ready to drive. It is described as a get-in-and-go car, meaning it requires minimal effort to enjoy immediately. The interior, finished in gray, complements the overall theme and provides a comfortable driving environment. This 1929 Ford Model A is ideal for anyone seeking a no-nonsense hot rod that combines classic looks with proven mechanical reliability, making it perfect for cruising, weekend drives, or casual car events. 4. 1930 Ford Tudor Sedan. Price: $30,000. Located: Easton, Maryland. This 1930 Ford Tudor sedan hot rod is a striking example of an old-school build enhanced with modern engineering and attention to detail. Featuring an original steel body that has been professionally chopped and channeled, this car achieves an aggressive stance while maintaining its classic proportions. The satin black exterior finish gives it a timeless and understated appearance, complemented by a vintage-style cloth top that enhances its traditional look. Power comes from a 350 cubic inch V8 engine equipped with tri-power Rochester carburetors and an Offenhauser intake, delivering strong performance and a distinctive sound. The engine is paired with a 700R4 automatic transmission, offering smooth shifting and highway-friendly cruising capability. The suspension system includes a tubular front axle with disc brakes and a rear setup with adjustable coilover shocks, ensuring both comfort and handling. The custom interior is thoughtfully designed with leather-wrapped components, detailed upholstery, and classic-style gauges, creating a refined yet functional cabin. Additional features such as a tilt windshield, rolling windows, and a modern sound system enhance usability without sacrificing vintage character. This well-built hot rod is reliable, visually impressive, and ready for both shows and regular driving, making it a highly desirable classic vehicle. 5. 1928 Ford Model A truck. Price: $22,500. Located: Milford, Delaware. This 1928 Ford Model A truck is a well-built and reliable classic that combines original steel construction with practical modern upgrades. Featuring an all-steel body and bed, this truck maintains its authentic vintage identity while offering improved drivability through thoughtful customization. The exterior presents nicely with an off-white finish that highlights its timeless design, while minor paint imperfections do not take away from its overall strong visual appeal. Under the hood, the truck is powered by a dependable small-block Chevrolet engine paired with an automatic transmission, providing smooth performance and ease of use. The addition of front disc brakes enhances stopping power and safety, making it more suitable for modern driving conditions. A custom chassis further supports improved handling and structural integrity, reflecting the effort put into its build. Recent updates include a brand new starter and carburetor, ensuring reliable starting and consistent engine performance. With a clean and clear title, this vehicle is ready for its next owner to enjoy immediately. It runs and drives great, making it an ideal choice for cruising or casual use. This 1928 Ford Model A truck offers a balance of originality and usability, perfect for enthusiasts seeking a classic truck that is both functional and enjoyable on the road. 6. 1931 Ford 5-Window Coupe. Price: $40,000. Located: Verona, Pennsylvania. This 1931 Ford 5-Window Coupe is a stunning street rod that showcases a high level of craftsmanship and attention to detail. Built using a Downs fiberglass body paired with a classic 1932 steel grille, this car blends traditional styling with modern enhancements. Powered by a Chevrolet 350 cubic inch engine with a mild cam, it delivers smooth performance and a responsive driving experience, paired with an automatic transmission for ease of operation. The exterior is finished in a striking blue color, complemented by Boyd wheels that enhance its overall stance and presence. The car features a 4-inch chop top, giving it a sleek and aggressive profile that stands out at shows and on the road. Additional modern features include remote-operated doors, an electric trunk, and power windows, providing both convenience and style. Inside, the vehicle offers a clean and well-maintained interior with a digital dash and carefully detailed components. The underside of the car is equally impressive, finished to match the body and maintained to a high standard. With only around 2,345 miles, this coupe remains in excellent condition and has been consistently recognized at car shows. This 1931 Ford 5-Window Coupe is an award-winning hot rod that combines visual appeal, performance, and reliability, making it a standout choice for collectors and enthusiasts alike. 7. 1930 Ford Model A 5-Window Coupe. Price: $34,000. Located: Maywood, New Jersey. This 1930 Ford Model A 5 Window Coupe Street Rod is a beautifully built classic that combines original steel construction with high-quality performance upgrades. Featuring an all-Henry Ford steel body, this vehicle maintains its authenticity while delivering modern drivability. Powered by a Chevrolet 350 engine paired with a TH350 automatic transmission, it offers smooth and reliable performance suitable for both cruising and show use. The exterior showcases a distinctive two-tone gray metal flake finish that adds depth and character to the car's vintage design. The coupe is equipped with a rumble seat, enhancing its nostalgic appeal and making it a unique addition among classic vehicles. Supporting its performance is a Pete and Jake's 4-link suspension system, ensuring improved handling and ride quality. Inside, the custom blue button leather interior is both stylish and comfortable, complemented by a full set of gauges monitoring key functions such as oil pressure, temperature, and fuel levels. Additional features include a Kenwood audio system, electric fan, and detailed finishing touches throughout the cabin. This vehicle has been recognized at car shows, including winning a People's Choice Award, reflecting its quality and presentation. With its blend of classic styling and modern upgrades, this 1930 Ford Coupe is ready to be enjoyed on the road or displayed with pride. 8. 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe. Price: $40,000. Located: Rye, New York. This 1934 Ford 3-Window Coupe is a well-built and highly desirable classic hot rod that blends timeless styling with modern performance and comfort features. Finished in a sleek black exterior paired with a bold red interior, this coupe presents a striking contrast that enhances its classic appeal. With a fiberglass body and a clean overall condition, the vehicle stands as a strong example of a well-maintained and thoughtfully upgraded street rod. Under the hood, it is powered by a dependable 350 Chevrolet engine, delivering solid performance and reliability. The engine is paired with a 700R transmission, providing smooth shifting and improved highway cruising capability. A Ford 9-inch rear end ensures durability and strength, making this car suitable for both casual driving and spirited cruising. The addition of rack and pinion steering significantly improves handling and responsiveness. Inside, the vehicle features a comfortable cabin with modern touches including tilt steering and vintage air conditioning, offering added comfort during longer drives. The interior layout remains true to its classic roots while incorporating functional upgrades. This 1934 Ford Coupe is a turnkey vehicle that runs and drives well, making it ideal for enthusiasts who want a stylish, reliable, and ready-to-enjoy hot rod for shows or weekend cruising. 9. 1932 Ford Street Rod. Price: $45,000. Located: Royersford, Pennsylvania. This 1932 Ford Street Rod is a classic example of a clean and simple hot rod build designed for reliable driving and timeless appeal. Built with a fiberglass body, this vehicle offers a lightweight structure while maintaining the iconic look that makes the 1932 Ford one of the most recognized hot rod platforms in automotive history. Its overall condition is described as like new, reflecting the care and attention given to its build and maintenance. Designed as a driver-focused car, this street rod emphasizes usability and performance. It is built to be driven confidently over long distances, making it more than just a showpiece. The car delivers a smooth and enjoyable ride, making it suitable for both highway cruising and casual outings. Its clean presentation and straightforward design highlight the essence of traditional hot rodding. The vehicle's exterior maintains a classic appearance, while the interior provides a comfortable environment for driving. Though not overloaded with unnecessary features, the simplicity of this build is part of its charm, appealing to enthusiasts who value authenticity and practicality. This 1932 Ford Street Rod represents a great opportunity for collectors or drivers looking for a dependable and stylish classic that is ready to hit the road and be enjoyed without hesitation. 10. 1929 Ford Model A. Price: $47,500. Located: Virginia Beach, Virginia. This 1929 Ford Model A is a high-quality, professionally built hot rod that stands out as both a show-winning vehicle and a reliable driver. Featuring an all-steel body, this car maintains its authentic vintage character while incorporating a wide range of performance upgrades. It has been featured in automotive publications and has earned top awards at major events, reflecting the level of craftsmanship and attention to detail invested in its build. Under the hood, it is powered by a Mercury flathead V8 engine with 276 cubic inches, paired with a C4 automatic transmission. This combination delivers smooth power and classic sound, enhanced by performance components such as an Isky camshaft, Offenhauser intake, and Holley carburetor. The custom chassis, coilover suspension, and dropped front axle provide both stability and an aggressive stance. The vehicle includes a range of custom features such as finned aluminum drums, Vega steering, and a carefully designed interior with a hidden Kenwood sound system. Every aspect of the car reflects thoughtful engineering and classic hot rod styling. With excellent condition throughout and proven reliability, this Model A is ready for both shows and long-distance cruising. It represents a premium classic build that offers performance, style, and heritage in one complete package. 11. 1931 Ford Model A Coupe. Price: $25,000. Located: Springville, New York. This 1931 Ford Model A Coupe is a well-preserved and thoughtfully upgraded classic that combines original steel construction with practical performance enhancements. The body remains true to its heritage, featuring a steel Rotlieb hood and a steel 1932 grille shell, maintaining its authentic appearance while benefiting from modern improvements. With approximately 7,000 miles on the build, the car has been driven and tested for reliability. Power comes from a rebuilt 8BA flathead engine, supported by documentation, paired with a T5 manual transmission that offers improved drivability and gear flexibility. The vehicle also features a Ford 8-inch rear end with multiple gear sets, allowing for versatility depending on driving preference. The aftermarket chassis contributes to better handling and structural strength. Inside, the cabin has been recently updated with a more comfortable seating position and refreshed interior materials, making it suitable for longer drives. The car runs, shifts, and drives smoothly, proving itself as a dependable classic that can handle regular use. This Model A Coupe is ideal for enthusiasts seeking a traditional-style hot rod with solid mechanical upgrades, offering both classic appeal and modern usability in a well-rounded package.